So this is how much I love all of you. I bought this Instant Pot, an 8-quart version, months ago, and I saved it until we started shooting to open it up. So I've been waiting for this moment. It's been sitting in my pantry and we've been tripping over it and all of that, but I wanted to open it up together because I know so many of you have received the Instant Pot as gifts, and I'm hearing from a lot of my good friends. These are folks that are professionals, that are out there working daily jobs that we respect and that we know, that tell me that they've got a box sitting in their basement or in a closet and they're afraid to open it up. But let's just get over that fear, folks. Let's do it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and I've got the process kind of started here, and I'm gonna show you what's in this box. I promise it's not gonna do anything. It's not plugged in. It's not gonna blow up or anything. You've got your Duo Series little tip book, some great recipes. I really like the recipe booklet because it's basic ideas. I do like this quick reference guide as well that comes with your Instant Pot. Just keep it handy so that you can kind of refer back to what all these things mean. They're always great to have in a pinch, and if you think like something's maybe going wrong with your Instant Pot, very little can go wrong, I promise you. We've got packaging, so let's get through that and pull this out. This box is so big, I could probably fit into it if I wanted to. At least my puppy could, I know that. My kids stuff him into various boxes from time to time. And now I'm gonna have to dig in here and grab, da-da-da! Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I'm so glad I've been working out because I can actually lift up this heavy, beautiful pot, unwrap it, and reveal. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Here we go, let's twist it. The first thing is, the lid has this little tag in it, so you wanna take that out. All you've gotta do is take the valve out. It just kind of pulls right out like that for you. Let's take the little piece of paper off, throw it over there, read it. I'm sure it has something important on it. And this is gonna be your valve to release steam, and make sure you lock the steam in, just dependent on that little tiny bit of twist. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that this has our seal in it. It does, so look at this ring, which can be pulled out to be washed, but you wanna keep it in here and fit into that groove nicely, that make sure there's no little slip-ups with that, so that no steam is released when you are cooking. It's got to stay in there. These are the little gadgets that come with your Instant Pot, which are fine, you know, nothing overly fancy, but a little spatula for your rice maybe, dole out your beans with that. I have so many of these. I could probably start my own business on the side because I have so many pressure cookers now, but it's good to have. This is an important little tool that fits on the back of your pressure cooker. What it does is, it's going to, when you read the instructions, you'll see there is this little spot here, and it'll fit right in so that if ever there's extra moisture collected in this rim, it'll drip right into here instead of onto your countertop. It's not dangerous if you don't have it on, but if you remember to put it on, it's probably smarter and better. And then we've got the inner pot. We've got the warning, so let's make sure that we heed all warnings. Make sure the heating element is free from grease and debris. And then we've got some of these little guys in there, so if you ever want to put something on here and you want to pressure cook, you can do that. There are a few recipes that require that. And lots of fun packaging that I'll be recycling. I'm all about recycling in the new year. And then the beautiful inner lid. Now, keep in mind, I've been reading, I almost did it by accident myself, that some folks have made the mistake of forgetting to put this inner pot into their Instant Pot before cooking and like dumping stuff into This base, don't ever, 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 ever do that. You can clean it up afterwards, but it's gonna be a big fat mess. Don't ever wanna make that mistake. So don't be one of the statistics out there. I'm not sure how many of them there are, but we wanna just go ahead and make sure we always have that inner lid in and we fill that up. And remember, there is a PC Max line, which is interesting. This is kind of the newer ones, where they say PC, pressure cooker max, is at that 2/3 line. Really important. I've said this before. Do not fill it above the 2/3 line. And now they're putting that PC Max right there. Very critical. Before it used to be, and I have those, where the PC Max is up here. So it was a little bit misleading. And I think that's really good and very important. The reason I wanted to get the 8-quart was because I want to transform all of my slow cooker recipes from the Indian slow cooker to Instant Pot pressure cooker recipes. And in it, I use 3 cups of legumes for all my recipes. So I just wanted to test out the 3 cups here. I do not recommend using that much product in your smaller pressure cookers, but I will be giving you recipes for all your different sized pressure cookers. Okay, so we've got everything out of the box, and look, we did it together. So the first step to solving your problems is admitting you've got a problem. I used to have a fear of pressure cookers. I've gotten over it from using the Instant Pot and electric pressure cookers. So you can do that as well. The first step, of course, is opening the box. So let's do it. Email me if you've done it as well. And the next step is going to be to cook in it. And I'll have lots of delicious recipes for you to do just that.